Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a quick and easy guide to show you how to switch between screen modes on your Galaxy Z Flip 5. This is a great way to customize your viewing experience, so let's get started. First, navigate to the home screen of your Galaxy Z Flip 5 and tap on the gear icon to launch the Settings app. Once you're in the Settings menu, start scrolling until you find Display and then tap on it to open the display settings. Now, look for Screen Mode and tap on it. Doing so will load up two screen mode options, namely Vivid and Natural. The default is set to Natural. If you choose Vivid, simply tap on it to change the selection. You can also drag the white balance slider beneath to make the display look cool or warm. To view more advanced settings, tap on Advanced Settings, then make necessary adjustments using the white balance slider. And it's that simple. You've just learned how to switch between screen modes on your Galaxy Z Flip 5. Remember, customizing your screen mode can enhance your viewing experience, so don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. See you in the next video.